In this help video, we'll look at adding alerts to our MTPredictor trade setups in TradingView. This is quite a nice way to scan for multiple markets and multiple time frames. Adding an alert is very easy. You first have the chart open for the market and the time frame you wish to create an alert for. You either click on the alerts tab there, or the easier way is go up to the alert button at the top, click on that, and then you have the ability to create the alert. So what we have to do is come down. The only one you can create the alert on for our MTPredictor setups is our MTPredictor trade setups. It's this one here. Not the analysis, not the trend, not the VS. They don't have alerts associated with them. It's only the MTP trade setups. So you click on that, and you can give it a new name if you wish. Then the option here is important. So you have to click on once per bar closed. You see that? Once per bar closed. The reason for this is because if you set it for any other one, then you could get alerts while the current bar is unfolding. Now that means that the alert could not be a valid MTPredictor trade setup, because the setup could change while the bar is in the process of unfolding. At MTPredictor, we only do what we call on bar close, so our potential setup is only set in stone, so to speak, once the actual bar closes. In other words, only once that bar closes. So select once per bar close. You can then have some other options you can put in here if you wish. These are up to you. And then at the bottom you can then add some text in here. If you wish as well. So obviously then if you want to send an email, then it gives you a bit more information on what the alert is coming for. So that's really easy to do. So that's all you have to do for setting an alert on an MTPredictor setup. Is you first have to choose the market and the time frame you wish. You then add the alert. You select MTP trade setups. You select once per bar, and then if you want to, you can then put a bit more of a message in there if you wish to. And if you want to do an alert name, so you can see it on the alerts list, you can do that as well. So I'm just going to add that to there, so I know exactly what setup it's actually associated with. Oops, sorry, I meant to copy the whole lot there. So that would be the message that pops up when you have an alert there. So you now do create and do continue anyway, and that will be your alert set up. Because that runs on the server, it means that alert is running even when TradingView is closed, which means it's a very good way to be alerted to trade setups, perhaps on your phone or something like that, when you're out walking the dog maybe, or when you're not directly in front of your screen. So if you click on the alerts button there, you can see there your alerts will be highlighted down there, where they're active and running. Once the alert has been triggered, it will go down to the alerts log there. So as you can see, it's a really easy way to be able to follow multiple markets and multiple time frames by setting up alerts when a new MTPredictor trade setup appears on the time frame and market you wish to follow.